people, Charlie, the only name with the capital in the middle, man. Somebody, I'm back, man. This another episode of the weekly bars. I mean, they give you tell information, everything be back. Like back man is back. So as you can see, Charlie, if you say coffee people, we are the way one way shadows. So fact say, nobody give me shadows again. So coffee you squad, they purchase something. And the number they there, look sharp, you go buy. All right. So first on the bill is Becca. Charlie, Becca. You see, some time ago I do some. Weekly bars episode we they tell you say ready wanna entertain us no I mean they go school we ready to Becca too she just finished where she be the best amongst the rest you understand as in she's the valedictorian of her year group Charlie where they blame when she they talk them things when she even advise their daughter Charlie my people if these people they go school you know they go school I beg go hold your bells and start to go school. Alright, so next on the bill is the World Cup jersey, they say some Yawa big bear for top. We all know say it be Puma way they design on our jerseys and things give. You know be only we two way Charlie then they design give. And we get other countries where Puma to the design. To me they just say be okay, but then Ghanaians to the talk say no be okay. Puma da Charlie they just it be okay. It be okay. We always for the what? Use one on a flag before they promote on a flag. But some people to the talk say Charlie, they beat them things. So Charlie, the comment section there, what be your mind about the jersey them things? Drop them for them. Maybe in our next episode we go feed them, pick your comments. Then we go tell people say this be your own what ideas about it. Next on the bill is Burna Boy. Charlie, Burna Boy, he the big man. Burna Boy no be small guy. Charlie, he can't give some list there. He say international shows alone they go Charlie one, he go here first of all, if you pay him $500,000. $500,000. Charlie, you know be Ghana City, you know be Naira with dollars inside. Wait he go here 13-seater private jet. 13-seater private. No be first class aeroplane way at least you go there see. He say 13 private jets and Gazan. Then you go here what again? 8 cars. 8 cars. Not just any car, but we talk car. If you understand the car we talk about. We gonna go here a Sprinter bus, a van pickup, and then 10 high quality hotel suites. Not suite. We talk suite actually. Go Google the word suite, then put them for the comment section inside give me. We gonna go here smoking executive suite. Hey Charlie, I know you heard this one too before. Smoking executive suite. Wow, Charlie, Burna Boy there, you big man with that too. Where the last amongst them he say he go here Hennessy, he go here Jack Daniels, where Jana go here champagne, all for him in room inside. Charlie, have you know what are they wearing here? You say coffee people will repeat the shout out. Make you go search the fact, search a number and you go what? You go purchase from him. Charlie, Charlie, we end up man. The only name with the capital in the middle. Shit.